If you need to unlink a bank account from your Chase account, follow these simple steps to do it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your Chase account. Before changing your settings, use the *com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the menu option that says Account Settings or Profile. Click on it to access your account management options. Step 3. Select Linked Accounts. In the Account Settings menu, find the section labeled Linked Accounts or External Accounts. This is where you can manage the accounts connected to your Chase account. Step 4. Choose the account to unlink. Look for the bank account you wish to unlink. Click on it to view more details and options related to that account. Step 5. Unlink the accounts. Find the option to remove or unlink the selected bank account. Confirm your choice when prompted to finalize the unlinking process. After completing these steps, the bank account will be successfully unlinked from your Chase account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Chase customer service for assistance.